Hey friends, if copy paste is not working on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process to fix it. It's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. First of all, press Windows plus V to open the clipboard and click on clear all here. I will mention the command here, Windows plus V as in victory. The next one is to update Windows. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab and click on check for updates in the right pane. Okay. And the next solution will be to perform an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on run as administrator, type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.